Hey guys, Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today I'm going to do somewhat of an unboxing and overview of the Canon Rebel SL2. So I decided to get a DSLR, guys, and this is kind of big for me because I've seen how good DSLRs shoot, and if you guys are not paying attention to my videos, I actually currently shoot with an iPhone 10. Now, right now I'm using the front-facing camera so I can see myself, but at the same time, I try to, mix up my videos just a little bit, and I have been taking a lot of my videos recently with the iPhone 10 just because, the camera quality is great. It shoots at 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it does shoot in 4K. So for me, though, 4K isn't everything right now. Unfortunately, I wanted to try something new, and so I decided, hey, I'm going to get a DSLR. So here it is, guys. Here is the Canon SL2. I have it backwards actually, but it is a camera that I just got yesterday actually, and it is so far growing on me big time. This is one that comes with the lens kit. This one comes with the 18 to 55 millimeter STM kit, or EFS, whatever you want to call it. I can, these things are pretty cool though. Out of the box, again, this thing only comes with just the camera, the lens inside, and that's basically it. But the cool thing about it is I actually purchased this thing through Amazon, and if you go to Best Buy or wherever else, you can only find the camera by itself with no bundle included for now. But currently I actually bought this off Amazon, and I got a great bundle deal, which it came with basically a carrying case. It came with a small tripod, 2 memory cards, etc. like that. So if you guys are exploring options for a DSLR, I highly recommend Amazon, and I'm actually going to leave a link in the description below so you guys can check that out if you're interested in purchasing a DSLR. But again, the reason why I bought this is because, first of all, I am not a photographer, and mostly I bought this because I've watched several review videos on YouTube myself on this camera, and the video quality on it is great. And the cool thing about it is I can actually connect things such as this microphone, which I will do a separate video on. This is the Takstar SGC 598, and it's a recording microphone, excuse me. And again, I'm gonna do a separate review video on that just because. But right now, again, this camera is somewhat for a beginner camera, in my opinion, for people that are just getting into the DSLR games. I've watched several reviews on the T7i, the 80D, the Mark series, the ones that go $1,000+ And the cool thing about this camera is it's only $600 or $599. I think I paid $649 on Amazon, but again, that was with the bundle plus taxes and everything like that. But again, with the body, just the body itself, if you already have kit lenses for this, this is a great camera to use. It's tiny, it's compact. The cool thing about it is it does have that flip screen so that you can, flip it like this for people that are getting into YouTube and vlogging like that. It does have one of the newer sensors on the camera. I forget the name of it, the something 7 sensor. So it's right in the line with the 7i and the 80D. Again, the top portion of this is really creative. So right now I'm actually going to switch. I'm going to switch from the camera I'm using now to the Canon DSLR, just so you guys can get kind of an idea of what the camera quality of this looks like. So here we go, guys. Alright guys, so this is Mike again from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and this is me shooting on the Canon SL2 Rebel DSLR basically. Let me try to move the camera there. So again, I purchased this camera because I wanted to see what the difference in quality was from a DSLR to a point and shooter to my phone basically, because I used to shoot a lot. I did used to have a camera called the Canon Vixia RF H600, which was, whoa, I'm watching this thing follow me, which is pretty cool. So basically it's a shooter, and that was a handheld handycam. But the cool thing about that camera was it actually had a mic input and a mic input. But this camera itself does have a separate mic input, which I'm going to test out later on. But what you are hearing is just the microphone that's installed on the camera. So this is it, guys. This is the Canon Rebel SL2, and I'm actually gonna give you guys some sample footage shots just really quick. I am gonna do a comparison video on a separate video again with the iPhone 10, which is you know, $1,000 phone basically, and I have a case on it, so it's a little reflective. But this little lens right here that you can see here, let me see if I can zoom in there. There you go. So it's following me. So basically that, you know, I'm gonna compare the DSLR here to this basically, and you know, $1,000 phone versus a $500 DSLR, and the difference in quality, etc., like that, guys. So again, this is Mike. I'm just gonna show you guys some sample shots that I did take with this, and maybe 1 or 2 sample videos just to get this going, guys. But again, I do want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do suggest you check out the link below if you are interested in purchasing one, the Amazon link. You are going to get a better deal on Amazon, in my opinion, and if you have Prime, you're going to get that free 2-day shipping. So who can complain about that? I can't complain. So again, I'm going to show you guys some sample clips. Alright guys, this is my Canon DSLR SL2. And this is again shooting at 60 frames per second. Alright guys, this is a video from my iPhone 10. This is at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Alright guys, so that was the sample clips from the iPhone, and comparing it to the Canon SL2. So I do appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You know, this is a tech review channel, so I do review other items. But again, you know, I am going to be going a little more in depth with the Canon SL2 here. Make a few more videos, and again, I am going to get a video going. Let me see on this right here. I'm gonna get a video going on this, which is the Takstar recording microphone, and that'll be in a separate video. But again, I'm gonna record that separately because you know, I want to get the camera microphone audio from this camera, and then I want to get the comparison on that. So we'll hear that on the next time. And again, guys, just so you know, this is a $20 or $25 microphone, recording microphone that you can just pop on your DSLR and get that going. So again, guys, thank you for always watching my videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, okay? We'll see you next time.